Good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel. On this our channel, we analyze our forex market and our stock market. That is if you are new to this our channel, and if you are a subscriber, thank you very much. So welcome back, and so please, if you are new, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please do not forget to subscribe. Let's quickly do a quick analysis on our JPY currency pairs. So the first one we will be looking at is our JPY index we have here. As we can see, on a long run, we are having this sell, push down. We had this retracement about last 3 weeks or so. Then about last 2 weeks we had this pull down. Then about last week we had this push up, then a pull down. So we're having this retracement. We are having this thought that okay, probably we would have this continuous push up, then before we actually see that massive push down whereby we'll see the breakout. But unfortunately we were not able to see such a thing because we had this retracement in this our range here, and we now had this massive pull down, which this our below area here. We are looking for to take our shorting position, which breaks below it. Now our JPY is now on a bearish run. We are actually now going down on our JPY. So any pair you want to be trading with it, any currency pair relating to it should actually be going up, while our JPY is going down. Exactly what you should be looking for to trade for this week. Our JPY is actually pushing down massively, so definitely we would continue to see that massive push down on our JPY. So now let's do our quick analysis on our forex pair. Our first one currency pair we have is our CADJPY. Like I said before, that if our price gets to this our area, if you have to watch my video about last week or so, or last week Friday or so, I said when our price gets to this our area here, you see that little bit of pullback, then we will continue our bullish run, which our price has actually given us that move. On Monday we'll be able to add that breakout. Tuesday today, where do you think our price will be going? Definitely we are still going bullish. Why? Because our card is actually going bullish. If you have to compare to other pair, you see that our card is actually pushing up, while our JPY is actually falling. So if you see one pair is going up and one pair is pushing down, that will be the best currency to actually trade. So our card is actually bullish, so we are going bullish on our card. On our 4-hour time frame, you see we are on a bullish run. On our 1-hour time frame, definitely we are on a bullish run. And if you want to wait for a pullback, then definitely we should be seeing that pullback around this our area here. One, you can see the pullback around this our area here, and you can also see the pullback to this our area here. So it depends on the three you want. When you see get your pullback, then definitely is now a good time for you to now enter. At least you'll be getting it for a better price. And if not, you want to take your buy up, then there's no problem, because we are still on a massive bull run on our CADJPY. But I'll advise wait for a retracement before you take your buy. Now our Swiss franc JPY, by the way, we are still on a bull run. One thing I wanted to know that our Swiss franc is actually kind of pushing down, while our JPY is also pushing down. So I think that probably, to me, if our price can actually get to this my liquidity area here, I'm going to be opting out of my trade. At least that I should be able to take my buy straight to this my liquidity area. We should be seeing some pullback. And if you don't see that pullback, by the way, don't forget we can actually see that breakout and continuous push up. That's my weekly time frame now. We can see that our price will take out our liquidity area and continue pushing up on our Swiss franc JPY. So definitely do not be surprised if you actually see that heavy push up on our Swiss franc JPY. So for today, by the way, we should actually be aiming for a buy, then probably opt out of it if you are able to grab about 20 to 30 pips of trade for it. And let's see how our price will play out. Now our next pair we have is our pound JPY. Do not forget to subscribe, by the way. So I need you to subscribe. So our pound JPY, our JPY is falling there, and our pound is actually pushing up, by the way. So we should be seeing that push up. I think I highlighted this green area When did I highlight it? I see that I highlight this area because if you have to see on our daily time frame, if you have to see previously on 2016, we see that price has reacted here to this our area here. Now we can see that if you have to see our price has actually hit up, we should see a little bit of reaction, then that massive breakout and a push up on our pound JPY. The reason I said so is because we are seeing that good bull run on our pound. We can pound relating to our JPY. So and our JPY is actually falling massively. So any pair relating to it should actually be pushing up. So let's see if we can see that retracement, a little bit of retracement to around this area. If you don't see it around this area, then definitely you should wait to sit around this area. Then our price will hit down and continue, bull run on our pound JPY. Our next pair we have is our New Zealand JPY, still bullish. As you can see, we are actually going up, push up. Probably we can even hit it on this our liquidity area safe. There's every possibility we hit this our liquidity area and even our other this liquidity area here. So there's every possibility that we will have that huge push up on our New Zealand JPY. But before that, let's at least aim to take our profit at this our area here, or possibly to this our liquidity area here. If we can take our buy position and take and set our profit at this our area here, then we can opt out of our trade and wait for our price to play its part. Then probably when it gets to our area, we cannot consider selling, or let's take our buy position straight upward to at least our area here, then opt out and take profit, and let's see our price will plays out. But our next pair we have is our AUDJPY. Since our AUD is actually bearish on our other currency pair if you have to watch it, and our our odd is actually pushing down, but on this one we can see that our odd is actually bullish. So there's why I said that we might probably not see that huge massive bullish on our on our AUDJPY. Let's see if we'll be able to take a little a push up and probably see a retracement, and if we don't see, we can continue push up. But I personally would be staying away from this trade because AUDJPY I would rather trade CADJPY than AUDJPY. I prefer my CADJPY to my AUDJPY, or my pound JPY to my AUDJPY. So personally, I'm staying away from my AUD. And if you want to take your buy position on AUD, there's still no problem. Now, our last currency pair we have to watch out is our EURJPY. Our euro is actually still pushing up. I'm seeing, like I predicted, we should actually see that our area will take our liquidity area here. If you have to watch my weekly video, then we will actually see a pull down. So exactly what you should be aiming for. Now that our price has hit our liquidity area, our advice on our 4-hour time frame, let's see if we'll be able to get a pull down, a push down. And if you don't get it, then probably we are still on a bullish run. Then our price will continue to be going up and up and up. And probably, but I will wait for a pull down, probably on my 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame, because I see that our price is actually too massive up, pushing up. I'll be waiting for that pull down, probably to a pull down to this two area that I'll be looking for my pull down to one to this my area here before I can actually take my buy position, or to this my area here before I can actually take my buy position. So anyone our price reach, I'm waiting for it. So that's our analysis for today. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.